In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Google Drawings assignment. In order to create an assignment, you will go into Canvas and create new assignment. You will title that new assignment, and I just titled it Google Drawings Example. And then you'll have to decide if you are going to provide students with a template, a place to start, or if you are just going to give them instructions. So I mentioned that an example of an assignment I used in health science was that students had to design a hospital emergency room. In that case, I don't provide them with an example. I just tell them that they each have to add 2 items to the emergency room, and I give them the instruction of thinking about the patient, and from the patient perspective, how would they design emergency rooms to increase patient satisfaction. It's very general. But today I'm going to use the example from your reading on supply and demand. So I'm going to use the grid template that was provided by those wonderful authors, and I am going to give them a template. And I'm going to keep it very basic here, and what I'm going to tell the students to do is to basically place the supply and demand curves where they need to be in order to demonstrate minimum wage, I believe was the example in the assignment, and you can, or in the reading, and you can read instructions in the reading as well. So I'm going to tell students for this assignment, you will be using Google Drawings. I would like you to place the supply and demand curves where they should be for minimum wage set at $5. You will use this template, and then I would link to the template. So I think this is view only. Yeah, okay. So if you want to use this view only template, you have to go up to File and make a copy for yourself. Now this copy is going to be saved into your Google Drive, and you will now be able to manipulate it, which is super nice. So the students can move this over. But what you want them to do is you want to share it. So you're going to go up to the right-hand corner. Let's see. And you are saying that now anyone with the link, so I just made those changes kind of quickly, but you're going to select anyone with the link, and then you're going to select over here that you want them to be able to edit it, and you can say done. Now what you want to tell the students to do is go and make their own copy. And so you're going to have to tell them how to do that. You might want to make it so that they are not an editor, but just a viewer, so that they cannot edit the original. And then they can go and make their own copy and then edit it themselves. But either way, you're going to want that share link. And so you're going to copy the link here and take that back to the assignment. And link it in there so that they know where the template is. Tell them when you open the template, click File and make a copy. Once you have made a copy, you will be able to move the dot, supply, and demand curves to where you think they should be. Now there are options here on submission. They can download it. So they can download it as a PDF, which would be lovely, or they can share the link with you so you can decide how you want them to submit it. And you can choose one or give them the option, because sometimes option is nice, but for now I'll just say please download it as a .pdf and then submit it here. And then you're going to scroll down, choose how many points that would be, and then under submission type you are going to click online. And then because I just said I wanted them to actually submit it by downloading and it's going to be a PDF, you can restrict that there. And then you would just click save. And that is it for Google Drawings. Just try to give people instructions, as many instructions as you can. You could create a video like this to show them how to do it, because students may be confused at the beginning. It surprises me how many students are not confused and how many just get it, and it's amazing. I feel like they are smoother at it than I am, so I hope that that is the case for you. If you have any questions, then definitely submit it on the discussion board here or email me directly, and I will respond on Monday, Wednesday, or Fridays. Thank you so much. I hope you have fun in Google Drawings.